There's a version of you that nobody sees. The one that sits in the car after a long day, engine off, hand still on the wheel, and just stays there, not ready to go inside yet, not ready to face another round of pretending that everything is fine. Look, my friend, you're not depressed. You're not weak. It's just that something inside you is cracking, and you don't know what to do with that. If you are that man, this video is for you. Breaking open is not the same as falling apart. Falling apart is random. It has no direction. It leaves nothing behind. Breaking open is purposeful. It has pressure behind it. And on the other side of it, there is something that was not there before. You've been carrying things, not just responsibilities, though you have those too. You've been carrying questions that never seem to go away. Am I on the right path? Is this who I'm supposed to be? Why does it feel like everyone else has it figured out? And am I the only one quietly falling behind? You wake up tired. Not the kind of tiredness that sleep fixes. A deep kind of tiredness. The kind that comes from being strong for too long, for too many people, in too many rooms, while nobody asks if you're okay. And the worst part? You don't even know how to answer those questions anymore. You used to have direction. You used to have fire, but lately it feels like something has gone quiet inside you, like a signal that's fading. And in the silence, a fear creeps in. What if I'm losing myself? Now let me tell you something that took me a long time to understand. Do you know that when a bone breaks, the body doesn't panic? Rather, it gets to work. First, it sends everything it has to the site of the break, sells minerals, energy, then something remarkable happens. The body begins to build a structure around the fracture called a callus, a dense, thick mass of new bone material that forms at the exact point of the break. For a period of time, that spot becomes the densest point in the entire bone. The place that broke becomes the place that builds. Now hear me on this. What you're feeling right now, that cracking, that fracturing, that sense that something in you is giving way, that is not the end of you. That is your callus forming. The confusion, the exhaustion, the questioning, these are not signs that you are losing. These are signs that your life is restructuring itself around a deeper foundation, that who you were is making room for who you are becoming. Every man who has ever become someone worth becoming has passed through this exact season, the silence before the shift, the fracture before the formation. You are not behind. You are not broken beyond repair. You are in the most important phase of your life, and most men never even recognize it for what it is. Think of the man who lost the job he built his identity around, and then discovered what he was actually built for. Think of the man whose relationship fell apart, and who finally, for the first time, met himself alone and didn't run from what he found. Think of the man who had to lose everything comfortable before he was willing to build something real. None of them felt strong in the breaking. They felt exactly the way you feel right now, but they stayed. They sat in the discomfort. They let the callus form. And what came out the other side was not the man who went in. It was something stronger, something quieter, something that couldn't be shaken because it had already been shaken and survived. So if you're sitting in that car right now, engine off, not ready to go inside, or maybe fully awake at night, staring blankly into space, don't rush it. You are not falling apart. You are breaking open. And what comes next, if you let it, will be the most important version of yourself you have ever met. If this reached you today, kindly like this video and share with a man who needs to hear it. Subscribe and stay with us, because the journey becoming a better man never stops, and it's a path we keep building together. Thank you.